Hello guys, get ready because in this video I am going to show you how to fix Narzo 80x not receiving MMS messages. So watch this video carefully and follow every step as I am showing in video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option apps. Now click on apps and then click on app management. Now scroll down and here you can see the messages app. Now click on it and click on storage and usage. Now here you can clear the data and cache memory of messages app. After clear data and cache memory, then go back to the main page of your settings and click on backup and system and update, and then click on backup and reset. Now click on reset phone and on top you can see the option reset network settings. Now click on it and here enter your password to reset your network settings. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.